basically took the inside of this guy right here and ran the cords in for the rear camera, which goes to the front, power, which runs back along here. I've actually connected the plug into the AC port of my battery, and I've got my power, and then my rear is my front because it's a little longer. I can run all the way to the back here, and then I've got the GPS port, which runs over towards the other side of the bike over here by the grip heater. And basically all you do here is you plug all this stuff in. GPS goes into the GPS port. Make sure I'm doing this right here. Power goes in the power port. My front is going into my rear because it's the rear part of the bike. And my rear goes to the front. And there I have it. Now whenever I want to, I just power this little guy on here. A little ding-a-wing. And there you see the front and the rear. And hit that to record, and it starts recording. And it goes on as long as it's got a module or a memory to do it with. Right now I've got a 64 gig card in here, a little tiny card, and that lasts about 5 hours worth of recording time. 1920 by 1080p recording, and it works pretty well. I'm planning on taking a mount, kind of rebuilding this whole front end here and popping it up here so I can actually see it. Kind of uses a rear view mirror. Not that the mirrors don't do a bad job themselves, but every now and then I've got somebody creeping up behind me rather fast. I'd like to have it on camera just in case something does happen. Anyway, that's it. Any questions on connecting and anything like that? I did have to take the right side and left side front panel fairing parts off to run the cable, but other than that it was pretty easy to do. Took me about 25 minutes. Take care, YouTube.